just talk loud. Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You all are wonderful. This is nice to be here. We thank you for having us. As Ms. Schultz said, I am Mrs. Bratcher. I'm the leader at Wauwatosa East High School of the Black Student Union there. One of our mission statements is that we learn about our culture and then that we share that with others. So this gives us a great opportunity to do that today with you all. We thank you for having us. One of the things we have been working on this year as one of our themes is affirmations. Can you all say the word affirmation? And affirmations are positive words you tell yourself to make yourself feel good, feel happy. I'm also a school counselor, so I'm also about the feelings. So things you tell yourself that you can repeat to yourself to make yourself feel good, like when you're having a bad day, or just when you need that reminder of how powerful you are, how smart you are, how brilliant you are. So one of the things we did is we made affirmation mirrors in one of our meetings. And so this student says, I am loving, I am beautiful, I am a believer, I'm a voice. So they all made these mirrors as a reminder. So as we thought about this exercise and what we wanted to share with you today, we thought about just our own affirmations. So the students are going to do a presentation here today where they're going to share their affirmation with you. And as part of that, they're also going to talk about who inspires us. Because you have teachers, you have parents, there are people you see on TV who inspire you. They make you feel good about who you are, what you believe in, and then also just your own personal talent. So they're going to use their voices here today and their talents to share their affirmation, who inspires them, and then some talent. And then we also may be looking for some volunteers at the end, okay? To help us out as we conclude. Does that sound good? Yeah. Thank you so much. We are going to start now. Thank you.
Sorry.
Hi everyone. So, my name is Ariana Hanzerski and I am the Secretary of the East BSU. And my affirmations are that I am intelligent, I am gorgeous, I am strong, and I am a leader. So, I've been doing gymnastics for about 9 years now. So, how many of you are in first grade? Yeah, so your age. And Simone Biles, plays a big part of my life. She's always been my idol. So some facts about her is that she was born on March 14th, 1997. So she is about 23 years old right now. So her birthday's coming up. Also, she is the greatest female gymnast of all time. She became the most decorated female gymnast in the world. She won the 2016 Rio Olympics, and she was the first to compete skills that were to be said were almost impossible.
Hello, Jefferson children. My name is Trayvon, and I'm from Wauwatosa East as well, in the part of the BSU. My affirmation is resilient, brilliant, unapologetic, and unique. And as you can see, this is her name is Rihanna, and she's a very, very famous celebrity that does a lot of things, multi-talented like me. I'm a musician of sorts. I make my own music online, and I hope to be maybe on par with Rihanna in the possibly male industry. I'm also a talented artist, as you can see from here. So, and this is part of a flag. So, like, y'all can do this too. I have faith that some artists might be here. How many of y'all like to do art?
Wow.
That's good.